Today I'm just going to show you the quick way to change the engine oil of the Toyota Prius or any other cars. Here you can see the bonnet is open. We just unscrew this one. Don't remove, just we put it there. We remove the oil check dipstick. We go to the pump. We fill the pump in here. And the outlet we put on the empty bottle. Okay, so, and this one is connect with the battery, and we just start the pump. Look how fast is oil coming. When oil will be empty, we can change the oil filter without any mess, and after that we just need to fill the engine oil. So it is very easy and quick, and no any mess, no any dipping. After 15 minutes, look, it's about this one. Sometimes it stop sucking the oil, so we just wait about 1 minute, then we start again this pump. This is a easy, it's easy to find this pump. Now is okay, no oil coming, it's making more sound, so we just stop for a few moments, and we're going to wait for a few moments, and it's about to, it look like all oil is come out, but still we wait and we run it again. Okay, we try again. It's all oil come out except which is on the oil filter. Otherwise all engine is empty. There's no oil inside. So this is a, friends, this is an easy way to change the oil. And when you finish this one, the bag normal routine, you have to fill the oil from here, and this deep stick, this oil stick is going back, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching.